Hey everybody, what's up? BTM here, and today we're going to be checking into the Guilly case designed for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now we'll be using my custom rating system to help you to decide if this case is the perfect match for you. But before we roll, I need you to roll down to the bottom of that screen and let your finger roll over that subscribe button. And if you find any value, help a tech brother out, give me a like. It helps YouTube to help me so I can help you. So right out of the box, a patch instruction cleaning kit. And you're going to get the front screen cover. And we'll take the plastic off while we're here. And you're going to get the back cover. You'll notice on the inside of it, you're going to have that's supposed to be for your Qi charging pad, but it doesn't really work as good as it's supposed to. And you'll also notice on the inside, you have your stylus, and it's hidden. So now, first up, let's talk about the protection. Now, this case is designed with a military grade feature. It offers 360 degrees of full coverage protection. It includes a rugged shockproof design, front tempered glass, and camera protection. Now, I would rate this out of 1 to 5 protection wise. I would give it a 4. Now on to the design. The case comes in a stylish silver color, and it features a flip form factor. It is exclusively designed for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, and it provides a perfect fit. The inclusion of the S Pen adds to its appeal. So I will rate the design, as you see the ridges, the complex design all around the case, because it has a camera cover, because it has a kickstand, and because it has a hidden stylus cover and a stylus. I will rate the design as a 5. Now, in terms of durability, this case is made out of metal, very little, and polycarbonate materials, ensuring a robust build. It has 9H tempered glass protection for the front cover, and it adds an extra layer of durability. So I would rate it based on material quality and overall durability. I would give it a 5. Now, as far as functionality is concerned, the case includes a S Pen holder and a actual S Pen itself on the inside. And the S Pen fits in quite nicely, firm and fit. It also boasts Qi charging. However, I could not get the Qi charging to work. But the design is tight. Your phone is covered both on the inside and the outside. As far as functionality is concerned, because of the fact that you have a camera cover to fully cover your camera, because you have kickstands, 2 of them, I will rate the design as a 3 out of 5, only because I could not get the Qi wireless charging to work. Considering the grip, the case is designed to seamlessly fit for preventing dust, accumulation, and ensuring the case stays in place while folding and unfolding. Does it provide a secure grip? I would say yes. I will rate it based on my experience, as I would give it a 4. Next up, let's talk about the price. Now, this is coming in at around $60. Now, that's pretty high for a case, but it does include a S Pen and a S Pen holder, and the S Pen is nice because you can use it on the outer screen and the inner screen. So in terms of price, I rate the $60 price tag about a 4. I think it should go around maybe $39 or $40, so it should be a little cheaper. Now, as far as compatibility is concerned, again, it is designed exclusively for the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, if you'll notice that on the camera cover there, it has that hole, and I think that hole is there for the Z Fold 5. So I think you could use it for the Z Fold 4 or the Z Fold 5. Now, all of the cutouts for your on the top, the cutouts are nice. You have your cutouts on the bottom for your speaker and for your USB Type-C charging port. You have a cutout on the side that's going to allow you to access your power on and off button. So the cutouts are all pretty good, except for, you'll notice that on the camera, the bottom there, you're going to notice that there is off slightly. Not enough to be annoying, but you do notice it. So as far as compatibility is concerned, I would rate it a 4 out of 5. In terms of material quality, the case uses metal, which I'm assuming is the stand itself, and it has polycarbonate materials. This provides a sturdy and durable build. The 9H tempered glass adds to the overall quality. So how would I rate this? Now, as far as scratching, it certainly passes the scratch test. You can keys or anything, and you don't have to worry about it being scratched. So durability, I would give it a 5 out of 5. Considering slimness and portability, does it maintain a slim profile despite its protected features? Well, I could say that I would imagine that it does. It's not super slim, but at the same time, it's not super bulky. Because of the material, it seems to be very lightweight, and it feels portable, even though it might not look like it's so portable. So I would give it a 4 out of 5 rating. The special features. Special feature number 1 is the fact that it comes with the stylus, and the stylus is hidden and it fits on the inside. Next special feature is the fact that it has a camera cover to fully cover your camera when not in use, which is nice. And it also has a kickstand that will allow you to view it in the vertical or the horizontal. So that means you can binge watch your videos, your movies, or whatever if you're on a call. It's nice. You got various configurations that you can put it in, which makes it nice. So as far as the features are concerned, I would give it 5. So this Guilly flip case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 scores an impressive average rating of 43. It excels in design, features, and materials, making it a strong contender for your Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now in the comment section, let me know, would you rate it higher or lower? And if you found this review to be helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, if this case doesn't make the case for you, you might want to look at this one up here, because I think you might like it just a little better.